Welcome everyone, and thank you for tuning in. My name is Niaja Wright, and in this video that I'm going to share with you, I want to introduce to you a company called Tradera. So Tradera is a financial services platform / financial firm that was designed to empower its investors by offering world-renowned education services in both the foreign exchange and cryptocurrency market. Tradera was founded in 2019 by esteemed Forex trading professionals Cody Sell and Easton Harris. The company is based out of the US, but available globally. Tradera is also a 100% debt-free company. Tradera combines two of the most powerful and lucrative industries in the world and allows you to tap into both right from your computers, tablets, and mobile devices. These two industries are the foreign exchange market or Forex market, a $6.8 trillion industry, and the network marketing / MLM industry, which is a $180 billion industry. Let's take a closer look at both powerhouses. You have the network marketing industry, which produces over $180 billion annually. It has over 10,000 successful active companies and over 130 million people participate in this industry. It's a highly lucrative market, and it also has low entry costs to get started and having a business that can yield such high royalties. It's also a low-risk business, and it is also endorsed by millionaires and celebrities because they do this every day with their following, their fans, and supporters, and they understand the power of suggestions that turn into residual profit and/or income. The Forex market is a currency exchange market that does $6.8 trillion in daily volume. The Forex market is the largest in the world. Banks, individuals like you and me, and institutions trade in these markets. Forex runs 24 hours, 5 days a week, and it is also easily accessible. And all that's needed to participate is access to the internet and a trading platform. MetaTrader 4 on your mobile phones and/or TradingView on your desktop or laptop computer. So I know that some of you may have never heard of Forex or may know what it means, but you may have participated in the market already. So I'll give you an example of what it is and how you make profit in the market. So say that you live in Europe, but you went to go visit a friend here in the United States. So you're going to need pocket money while there. So you go to the airport and exchange your 500 euro into US dollars at the exchange rate of $1.4 for every euro. So now you have 700 USD, but your friend is super generous and you end up not spending any money at all, right? So then you have 700 US dollars when you return back to Europe. So the exchange rates are constantly changing in the market due to a supply and demand. And now they have moved from 1.4 to 1.3. When you go to exchange those US dollars back to euros, instead of just getting 500 euro back, you'd actually get 538.5 euros. You've gained 38.5 euros simply from holding your money in dollars while the exchange rate changed. This is essentially how we trade in the Forex market. You buy a certain amount of currency, hold on to it while the exchange rate moves, and then change it back and make money along the way. How to decide when is the right time to buy and sell is exactly what we teach here with Tradera. We teach you how to trade online in the online exchange offices called brokers. And what this means is that you can exchange currencies online throughout the day and take advantage of the constantly fluctuating exchange rates. Just like in the example I just described, you combine different currencies and make a profit as the exchange rates change. This is trading in the Forex market. The services that Tradera offers include, but are not limited to, trading education, market forecasts, trade alerts, live sessions, and trade community and small study groups. Let's take a more in-depth look at each of these services individually. With the trading education, you'll have unlimited access to the 100% online trading education platform, and there are step-by-step strategies also and processes partnered with comprehensive A through Z training, from Forex basic knowledge to advanced trading techniques, and additional resources including a 2-week syllabus, a well-versed trades business launch manual, and the 20 pips and dip strategy portal. You'll have all the tools necessary to succeed. Another great tool that Tradera has to offer is the market forecast. The market forecasts are posted every Sunday by experienced traders at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. In these forecasts, our traders break down the activity predictions of all the major assets, which offers trade opportunity insight and also is an additional education resource. Receive insider trading intel. Also, we provide a unique opportunity for members to earn while they learn with the professional trade alerts sent out by experienced and professional traders. These alerts are received in our member community for us to be able to simply copy and paste to mirror these professional traders. Not only do our team of professional traders send out these alerts, but They demonstrate them and communicate these techniques and strategies live. These live sessions take place every Sunday through Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And these sessions include question and answers to personal analysis that allow you direct access to tailor individual trading needs. These live sessions are designed to sharpen your skill set that much faster and provide you the confidence needed to start making profitable trades of your own. These sessions are also recorded and cataloged for community playback and review. Plug in, learn, and earn. You'll have an entire group of like-minded individuals to do this with, which will be your trade community. You'll be able to compare your market viewpoints, network with other traders from all over the world. This is also where you have the opportunity to ask additional questions. The community will furthermore provide additional educational resources as well. Above all else, the community promotes growth. What's also unique about Tradera is the business opportunity that it also provides for its members. For just an additional $15 a month, you can build a profitable network marketing business by simply helping people become members of Tradera and earn not only a free membership for yourself, but weekly recurring residual income as well. You can own your own business. Before I can explain how you'll be compensated for starting this business, let me explain the types of business incomes that exist. There are two types of income. You have active income, which is the income that results from you trading your time for a wage. So an example would be you working like a 9-to-5 type of job. This means if you stop showing up to said job or the job is no longer available, you stop earning income. Whereas passive income is CEO of a residual income-based business, completing one or a few tasks that keeps paying you lifetime royalties. So an example would be you owned a house but having multiple renters and making profit each and every month. This is essentially what's made in Tradera. You receive weekly passive income when you get customers involved. The more clients you get involved and started with Tradera, the higher your referral rep rank will be, and the more the company will pay you. So as a disclaimer, understanding that being an IBO takes some dedication. This requires successfully building a team. So the results of this part will absolutely vary based on the skill and level and the effort of each independent IBO. But if you are someone who would like to earn with the company for referrals, we do provide a quick start guide that will walk you through step-by-step how to effectively launch your business, even if you've never had any team building experience. So let me explain each referral rep or IBO rank. So the first rank is called Founder, which is obtained when 3 people opt into Tradera with your referral link that you receive once you join. So 3 new students earns you a free membership. Once you've accomplished this, if you would like to continue to share the platform, you upgrade to an IBO or an independent business owner and build the business by helping duplicate the process that you just completed. So you bring 3, then you help those 3 get their 3 students involved also to help them become Founder. So once you have 10 members involved, you've achieved the rank of Knight. And now you're making $125 a week or $500 a month. You go 25 members at Noble, you're earning $250 a week or $1,000 a month. 75 members at Bishop, you earn $500 a week or $2,000 a month. And remember, you all are working together collectively to attain these numbers. So your new members, you're just helping them bring in new members as well. 250 members at Duke or Duchess, you'll begin to earn $1,250 a week or $5,000 a month. 500 members as a prince or a princess, you'll earn $2,500 a week or $10,000 a month. 1,000 members at King or Queen, and you will earn $5,000 a week or $20,000 a month. 2,500 members as an emperor or an empress, and you'll begin to earn $12,500 a week or $50,000 a month. And finally, a legend, if you have 5,000 members, you begin to earn $25,000 a week or $100,000 a month. And exactly what is that like? Let's just break it down like this so you can understand. So receiving Ivy League earning education in a $1 trillion organization, and the prerequisites simply state, listen, your tuition is only $99 every month, but if you can find 3 people also seeking the same access and same education and show them how to enroll here using your student promo code, we not only give you a free education, but for every additional student you enroll along the same terms, we'll still provide you free education plus full access, but we will also pay you weekly. Would you not be excited to share that? Could you imagine all the opportunities that you can create by simply sharing this platform? So many people are looking for so many different alternatives. Right now, people are in quarantine. They don't really know, where their next dollar may be coming from. They may be working in a situation where they're receiving active income and don't even know that passive income opportunities exist. Here you are with something that could possibly change so many people's lives. And not only just this income opportunity, but also what it is that the platform itself has to offer, which is the education. I know I'm absolutely ecstatic about not only being in a position to change lives, but I'm super thankful for the opportunity to be able to learn a trade that will literally and virtually make me recession-proof, no matter what may be happening in the world. That gives me so much security and also so much purpose. So the basic decision is really just getting started and getting your 3 members reaching founder as soon as possible. The cool incentive that I'm doing, as well as a lot of other top leaders in the company, is since it only takes 3 personal referrals to unlock the earning potential in Tradera, we've been giving away our personal referrals to our new teammates and new customers. So if you can prove to us that you're consistent in studying and, going through the courses and learning, we will help get you guys your free memberships. So you can become a member of Tradera for only $99 and receive full access again to our online trading platform, insider intel with these trader alerts from professional and seasoned trainers, participate in our live sessions, take advantage of the market forecast and our trade community, and much, much more. To upgrade and build a business and have access to our compensation plan, premium marketing tools, and study groups, signal groups, and well-versed trade community, it's only an additional $15. I encourage you to get started today. For less than $100, you can start to learn while you earn. Literally with this trade that has the potential to make you and the persons you share this with recession-proof. This for me went from a hobby I was learning in my spare time to now a business that's basically on autopilot, and it continues to grow and to help so many families. So get back to the person that invited you to see this information, get any additional questions that you may have answered, and let them know that you're ready to get started learning and earning with Tradera today.